Traditional power solutions are hard to relocate. One installation feels like a lifetime commitment. The times demand a lighter answer. Polinovel has reimagined energy delivery with a truly mobile system. Easy assembly and disassembly. The system is deconstructed into standardized blocks with a container-based locking mechanism, enabling secure, quick setup and breakdown for fast deployment. Flexible and efficient redeployment. A single flatbed trailer can transport the entire system to serve multiple sites in succession, allowing you to respond swiftly to changing task needs. Autonomous clustered management. Each battery cluster operates independently under intelligent control. A single point failure never affects the whole system, drastically reducing downtime and ensuring continuous, resilient power. Significant operational cost reduction. Mobility plus intelligence streamlines management. A single operator can oversee an extensive power network, optimizing costs tied to labor, logistics, and unplanned outages. This agility unlocks new possibilities. Whether for temporary events, seasonal operations, or rapidly expanding grids, Polinovel's mobile energy system makes reliable power possible anywhere. Agile deployment, unlimited potential. Visit our website to discover more.